Hey guys, welcome back to the Colin Pizza channel. Today we are talking about iOS 18 on my iPhone 13 mini. It's been available for about like a month now, and I've been on the developer beta ever since like day 2 of iOS 18. So we're gonna see how this battery life is like on my iPhone 13 mini. Right now at like 32%, and then we're also gonna talk about the experience of using it too. Okay, so when we get into settings, we are gonna see a few things like the iOS version. Give me a second. 22A5307i, and that is like very that's like the build number. We're getting very close to the end. Wait a minute, what? Sorry about that. My iPhone was overheating. The iPhone XS that's recording this video is overheating, and I had to pause the recording. So yeah, where were we? We got to the iOS version, and and I told you that we're getting very close to final release, or RC release. So when we go back into the settings and go into battery, and then battery health and charging, and see I'm at 94%. Now let it be known, I was on like 95% like last week, so keep that in mind. The battery health did actually go down on this iPhone like by 1% over the past 3 months, so let it be known. So when we get into the battery life for the past 10 days, so we have like 2 hours and 35 minutes of screen on time, 1 hour and 35 minutes of screen off time, and that was from using YouTube a lot. I do use YouTube a lot because but not as lot as I was with my iPhone XS, which is recording this video. But it's actually like pretty similar battery life, but the screen size is actually limiting me from watching YouTube videos. But okay. So 2 hours and 36 minutes of screen on time, 1 hour and 3 minutes of screen off time, and 1 hour and 30 minutes of screen on time, 1 hour and 27 minutes of screen on time. That was on Friday. On Saturday it was 1 hour and 59 minutes, and screen off time was 53. Okay, so this is like the best one out of the rest of them. It's 3 hours and 33 minutes of screen on time, 1 hour and 9 minutes of screen off time, and 1 hour and 5 minutes, 1 hour and 32 minutes on Tuesday, 2 hours and 32 minutes of screen off time, 38 minutes of screen on time yesterday. That's pretty nice. 1 hour and 51 minutes of screen on time. I didn't actually mention the screen off time because that doesn't take up much power. So the experience of using the iOS of iOS 18 is well, first one was actually with the bug that I had the other day with like the mail coming down, with like the mail app or the mail notification coming down. It's like on the notification center, which is really odd to see. And another thing that the apps icon would actually show that it's actually not that good. I don't know what it is, but I'll put it on the screen now so you can actually see what it looks like. That's what I'm actually seeing. And yeah, so the music app actually just crashes after like after a while, and it's just while listening to music, which is actually a pretty big bummer because I use the music app a lot. And I've been using the camera app. I've been using the music app a lot. So yeah. So that's what my experience is like with using iOS 18 for the past few betas, and hope you guys actually enjoy this video. I will make these videos every single week. Yeah, I'll make these videos every Friday or Saturday. So please keep that in mind. I will keep updating you guys with that kind of stuff. And well, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it helps out the channel. You love to help out the channel. And for extra videos, I make music videos, and I also have another video coming up that's actually about my dad's car. Hope you guys look forward to that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. just heard a chirp from bro. Not from the bird. It's from him. What are you about to do, little birdie? Bro is here and he's about to get hungry. Oh. Let's scare it off. Oh. Bro's cooked.